Problem number 1 on the nuclear problem set. Predict 1 kilogram of iron, ponder 1 kilogram of iron mass and 1 kilogram of gold. First thing you want to do is predict how many atoms are in the iron and in the gold. So in part A, when you're making a prediction, think about some of the things that we talked about in class. We said that a drop of water has in the neighborhood of about 10 to the 23rd atoms. And we said that a person has in the neighborhood of about 10 to the 27th atoms. And then we had other things also, but those would probably be the most useful. Your kilogram of iron, your kilogram of gold, a kilogram weighs about 2.2 pounds. So you're going to be somewhere in the neighborhood between 10 to the 23rd and 10 to the 27th. So an estimation of 10 to the 24th, 10 to the 25th would probably be a reasonable prediction. Now part B, we want to calculate the number of atoms in each object. So if I start with 1 kilogram of iron, conversion process. So we want to convert to a number of atoms, and we know a connection between the atomic mass of an atom and how many atoms there are. So if I go into grams, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Now, if I look up a periodic table, so just Google periodic table, iron element number 26. So in element number 26, I can see that it has an atomic mass of 55.845. That's the atomic mass in atomic mass units, but it's also how many grams there are in a mole of that substance. So I'm going to pull that number over. 55.845 grams in 1 mole. Remembering your chemistry, 1 mole, Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So that converts us from 1 kilogram into a number of atoms. And for iron, we get 1.08 times 10 to the 25th atoms. Your process for gold is going to be the same. Start with your 1 kilogram, convert it over to grams, go to your periodic table, find gold, that's AU, that's element number 79. So my atomic mass is 196.97. So that is 196.97 grams in 1 mole. And then a mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And so we convert over and we get about 3.06 times 10 to the 24th atoms. You can also do this conversion by going through atomic mass units. Either way is fine. Ponder physics.